Hello, welcome to Virgo Philippines. So, reading po ito for Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Take only what resonates. Bali, hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat, guys. Kasi hindi ko naman talaga makukuha lahat ng energy ng Virgo sa mundo. Pero kung hindi ka nakaka-relate, hindi ka nakaka-resonate, okay lang yun. Huwag ipilit. Okay, may mga next readings pa naman. Pwede kang magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. Friend ko yun, guys, ha. Hindi ako yun. Hindi ako nagpa-personal reading. Okay? If you want din, pwede mo ako i-follow sa TikTok. Yan. Ma-appreciate ko yung pag-follow mo sa akin. And, start na natin ng reading. This is for the sign of Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Virgos. Check mo yung natal chart mo, ha? Can you tell me about the situation ngayon ng mga Virgos? Situation ngayon ng Virgos. Situation ng mga Virgos. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guide. Situation mga Virgos. You do have your racing and nightlife. Yung iba sa inyo may mga bagay kang maaaring minamadali ngayon. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng you want something and you feel like kailangan mo mag-take ng risk dito sa bagay nito. And pagdating sa love, for some of you, may mga iniiwasan, may mga nilalayuan, and I can see competition para sa iba, lalo na racing is here, so pwedeng may competition, no? And you do have here silence, so yun nga, pwede may mga iniiwasan, nilalayuan, may mga tao kang hindi kinakausap, and there's disconnection sa inyo na itong mga taong to. You do have your karmic, so I feel like for some of you, may mga other person na nagkakaroon ng balakid, no? Like a third party situation, lalo na with the karmic. Or maybe you could be in another relationship pero may iba ka pang iniisip na someone, no? Or maybe a part of your past, pwedeng ganun, iniisip mo pa rin hanggang ngayon. You do have your gossip, so yung iba sa inyo pwedeng natatakot ka or naapektuhan ka sa kung ano yung pwedeng sabihin ng iba or kung ano yung sinasabi ng iba patungkol sa'yo, so pwedeng apektado ka doon. And that's why with the racing, maaaring minamadali mo yung sarili mo ngayon na gawain yung isang bagay because you want to win their hearts, you want to win their respect, alam mo yun, and kung ano man yung mga hindi magagandang sinasabi laban sa'yo, gusto mong mabago yun. You do have your anxiety, so pwedeng matindi ang pag-iisip mo regarding dito sa bagay na to. Some of you do have your twin flame, so you could be dealing with a twin flame, kaya lang parang there's coldness or disconnection, or pwedeng hindi nagiging open na connection sa inyong dalawa ng person na ito. Okay? And tell me about messages for Virgos. Messages for Virgos. Guys, this is actually a sign. Kung ikaw ay single, may message din dito eh. Kung single ka, wala ka pang kapareha, okay? Or you're not yet married. Sinasabi dito, be careful. Kasi nakakakita tayo dito ng possible na mga aksyon or desisyon or pakikipagrelasyon, pakikipag-connect na pwedeng mauwi sa masyadong mabilis na pangyayari. And this would lead into a lot of lessons na kumbaga parang karma na marami kang matututunan dito sa bagay nito. Sa ngayon, with the cricket, yan, nakikita mo yung silence and non-action as much as possible. You have to be quiet, you have to be silent, and huwag mo madali. Mas maganda kung ibigay mo muna yung time na ito sa sarili mo and not in this nightlife, which is may kinalaman ito sa maybe friends, and yun nga, mga hindi magagandang connection, and this could lead into a relationship na hindi maging maganda para sa iyo, kasi nakakita tayo dito ng pagkakatali, no, sa mga maling tao. Okay, by the way, sorry about the noise, medyo may ingay sa aking background kasi medyo gisingan pa po yung aming mga tao dito sa bahay, ano. So yeah, there's jealousy here. So if you're dealing with someone right now, I am seeing a person na maybe in the past na parang naiinggit sa kung ano man yung meron sa'yo ngayon and sa inyo pagdating sa pakikipagrelasyon. So iba-iba yung mga messages natin, sana nakuha mo kung saan yun sa'yo doon. Okay? So yeah, kukuha na ako dito sa card na to. Tell me more for the sign of Virgo, please. You do have here 9 of Swords. This is in reverse. 2 of Swords is also in reverse. You do have the Strength card, and it is also in reverse. Pura reversal, guys. And the High Priestess, and it is also in reverse. So nakikita nga natin, yan, the Hanged Man is here. Huwag kang masyadong magmadali. Actually, yun yung pinaka-message sa'yo. Whether you are single, in a relationship, or not looking for anything right now, pagdating sa love, pagdating sa career, ang sinasabi sa'yo dito, huwag masyadong magmadali. O yan, love and money. Ito, relate, no? Kasi nakikita natin, possible na mapunta ka sa maling path or maling daan, no? Na ayaw mo naman mangyari yon, syempre. Yung iba sa inyo, because you're hoping for tomorrow na mabago, gusto mo mabago or magkaroon ng pagbabago sa bukas mo. So ngayon mamadaliin mo yung ngayon, ganto ganyan. Hindi yun ganon magiging mabilis agad, especially if you are currently in a stage na medyo hindi ka pa okay. Maybe hindi ka pa okay financially, medyo hindi ka pa okay emotionally. Alin man doon sa dalawang yon. Kung hindi ka pa okay, kailangan mo pa ng healing, kailangan mo pa ng pahinga, kailangan mo pa na yung mag-lie low muna ba. Especially kung alam mo yan sa sarili mo. Huwag kang magmatapang na sasabihin mo kaya mo, gusto mo na i-try itong bagay nito or simulan itong bagay nito. If personally, alam mo sa sarili mong may doubt ka pa, hindi ka pa 100% sure. And maybe if it has something to do with money, huwag kang basta mag-take ng risk. This is the time na huwag ka muna mag-take ng risk. Okay? Masyado kasi nagmamadali. Racing is there. And yung isang maling desisyon na magagawa mo, that could lead into negative outcome for you. So, ayaw natin mangyari yun. Yung negative, as much as possible, iiwasan. at maiiwasan yun kung hindi ka magmamadali. Okay? So, what will happen in the near future for Virgos? Messages in the near future for Virgos. You do have here the Page of Swords, the 10 of Coins, 7 of Coins is here. Sorry, that's a Death card in reverse. And you do have here the Knight of Coins. And yan, as you can see, the Knight of Coins, it's holding a sign which says slow. So, medyo mabagal, no? If you are someone na medyo malayo sa family, someone na medyo maybe nagtatrabaho sa malayo, pwedeng ganun. Malayo ka sa pamilya mo. I can see the World and the Knight of Coins. This is the message for you in the near future. Medyo may mga bagay na mag-e-end sa'yo. It's like a cycle. Medyo mahirap itong balikan. So, mahirap. It's like, you know, the Knight of Coins is here. Parang once you cross the road, no? Once na nakapunta ka na dun sa kabilang side, nakalipat or nakaalis ka na, medyo matagal or magiging mahirap yung pagbalik. You know what I mean? So, sabi ko nga, pwedeng pagdating sa desisyon, medyo wag ka munang patalos-talos, no? Kasi medyo mahihirapan kang bumalik doon sa mga bibigyan kita ng example, but I'm not saying this is your situation, ha? It could be any situation. So, pwede halimbawa, nandito ka sa Philippines and then gusto mo mag-abroad and then may bigla ang alok sa'yo ng pag-abroad but you're not 100% sure, you're not ready, hindi ka handa. Financially, alam mo kailangan mong mag-struggle, kailangan mo mangutang, pwedeng ganyan. In order for this to happen, and medyo malaki-laki yung uutangin, but you are ready, you want to take the risk, nandun yung gusto mo. Pero ang advice sa'yo is, wag muna, medyo maglaylo ka, kasi possible na yun nga, dahil sa utang na yun, medyo mababaon ka, mahihirapan kang bumalik, umuwi, ganyan, and I can see na, yeah, you do have your 8 of Wands, so this is like back and forth letters or no, sulat. So medyo alam mo, ang sulat is not like a messenger na instant click or instant pindot ay nandun na agad sa papatunguhan, ano. Ito is like matagal bago makarating doon sa dapat niyang puntahan, no, lalo na kung ang distance is mga bansa talaga, no. And yun ay may kinalaman sa maaaring pupuntahan mo, no, or sa patutunguhan mo. Medyo mahirap makabalik sa'yo or medyo magiging matagal yung pagbalik mo. So medyo maglaylo ka sa pagdedesisyon. The Magician is here. So pagdating naman sa pera, yan, at gusto kong i-explain pa ng maayos sa'yo. Pwedeng kung ikaw ay magte-take ng risk, medyo magiging matagal din ang pagbalik. Okay, matagal bago bumalik yung mga iti-take mo ng risk. So, investment is not good at this time, no? Medyo magkakaroon ng delays. Ayan. And the Magician is here. So, this is like an advice with the Magician. Kung mababasa mo, there's this word, resourcefulness. You are known to be a resourceful person. Resourceful ka. Kaya mong gawan lang paraan lahat ng mga bagay. And use that. Use that. For example, kung gusto mo mag-invest, gusto mo magnegosyo, ano yung bagay na pwede mong inegosyo na hindi ka gagastos sa ngayon? Maybe you need to create something na mas magbibigay pa sa'yo ng balik. And if you do this, kung ginawa mo ito, nakakakita tayo dito ng, you see this is the 7 of coins, this is increase. Kailangan mo lang maging persistent, kailangan mo lang maging tuloy-tuloy doon sa ginagawa mo. Diba? Na yun. And step by step, there's this, finally, time will come, ma-accomplish mo yung gusto mong mangyari, which is you want money, you will have money. You will have a lot of money with the 10 of coins. Pero tiyagaan lang, kasi wala naman talagang mabilis na na pera, na hindi naman to katulad ng pagtaya sa loto ng bukas panalo ka na, hindi ganun. So medyo tiyagaan ang nakikita natin dito. Huwag magmadali, especially sa paggawa ng desisyon. Pagdating sa love, dito have the Page of Swords. In the near future, there's this I can see curiosity. So pagdating sa person, nakakonect mo. If you're dealing with someone, pwedeng wala masyadong idea whatever is happening between the two of you or what will happen in the near future. Kasi nga, pwedeng your person is busy, you are busy, so there's medyo impossible na magkaroon ng connection or communication talaga sa inyong dalawa. And you do have here the Death card, and it is in reverse. So yeah, the word is stagnation. So you will be, pag sinabi natin stagnation, stagnant, it's like a water na walang kagalaw-galaw. You know, stagnant lang. It's like hindi gumagalaw, but it's still water. So yun yung possible na maging outcome nitong decision mo. So kung ikaw ay magdidesisyon ng mabilisan, still, ang magiging outcome nun is stagnant, walang kagalaw-galaw. Or hindi agad mag-work out or babalik sa'yo kung ano man ito mga tinik mo ng risk na ito. Kaya nga, wag ta munang madali. Nakakita naman tayo ng growth dito, nakakita tayo ng money, pero kailangan is one step at a time. Hindi siya biglaan, hindi siya mabilisan. Ang pagdating sa love and the emotion, connection, ganyan, there's stagnation, so wala rin kagalaw-galaw. And if ever you're single, and then you would not listen, no? Makikipag-connect ka pa rin, sige, baka ito mo talaga yon. So time will come na there's this change, no? Nakakita tayo dito ng change na parang hindi mo mapipigilan. And I can see something will end. And that could mean pwedeng may kinalaman sa it's an ending na medyo hindi magiging maganda for you. A high chance ng pregnancy, you know, so be careful, especially sa sexual life mo. If you're active sexually, so maganda magsuot ka ng mga protection if you don't want to get pregnant. Yun yung advice, kasi there's this possible na ending na mangyari sa'yo. And kumbaga, ito makikita mo dito, there's this Knight of Coins wearing a helmet, no? So mag-helmet, no? Use condoms, etc. It's like extra protection. And yun lamang po. The world is here, especially ang ating bottom of the deck is the gossip. It's like rin to pwedeng chismis. So pwedeng ikaw ay pag-usapan, pag-chismisan, ayaw mo naman mangyari yun. This I'm pertaining to those padalos-dalos when it comes to relationship, when it comes to love. That's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Sana nakarelate ka, ha. Hindi to makaka-relate sa iba kasi hindi naman to personal reading. But if you want, pwede ka magpa-personal reading diyang tarot reader. Or pwede ka pumunta dun sa akin TikTok, and then punta ka sa Unicorn Princess Tarot. Search mo ko doon, follow mo ko doon. Meron akong TikTok shop guys, if you want na maka-experience ng palm reading sa akin. Meron akong mga certain bracelet na available na binibenta ko dun sa TikTok, and maybe I can give you guidance din. Pwede ako magbigay ng palm reading kung bibilin mo yung mismong bracelet na yon. Okay, thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.